What's up, everybody? I get a lot of questions about which pairs are the best ones to trade. Which pairs do I trade? Well, in my opinion, whether you're trading stocks, currencies, cryptos, or anything else, you should always be focused on the pairs that a lot of other people are trading. Remember that price action is based off of human behavior. So the more people involved means the trading patterns will come out more clearly. The moves will be a lot faster, a lot longer, and more reliable overall. So you want to go with the most active pairs. So the most active and reliable currencies are the Great Britain pound, the euro, the US dollar, the Australian dollar, the Canadian dollar, and the Japanese yen. So you want to focus on pairs that include those currencies. And the major pairs are the GBP USD, Euro USD, Australian dollar USD, USD CAD, USD JPY, NZD USD, and the USD CHF. Now, personally, I feel that the New Zealand dollar and the Swiss franc are not very reliable pairs. The patterns don't come out as clearly. So that leaves the other five major pairs that you should focus on. And then you have the cross pairs or the minor pairs like the GBP, AUD, the Euro, JPY, etc. You can see a list of some of those right here. There are 70 or more Forex pairs altogether in the whole market, so you definitely want to focus on just a couple. Each pair moves differently, so you want to get to know them in and out to have the best trading results. And what about the exotic pairs? There are pairs involving countries with smaller economies like the Turkish lira, the Singapore dollar, or the South African rand. These pairs tend to be very volatile. The patterns don't show up clearly at all, and the spread is very high. I personally don't trade these pairs, and I don't recommend that you do either. Another benefit of the major and minor pairs is the spread is always low, since so many people are involved with trading those pairs. These exotic pairs, they have a very high spread, and high spread means less money from each trade, since you have to factor in the spread when you're doing your position sizing. So, to sum everything up, my recommendation is to focus on the major pairs, especially when you're new. The minor pairs aren't bad either. I do personally trade those on occasion, and I would avoid the exotic pairs altogether. If you want to get into trading the precious metals and the stock indexes, those are fine too, but keep in mind the spread is usually very high on those as well. Alright, so that's all for today. Make sure you go and check out my socials and the profitable Forex trading course over at ccxcollective.com, and I'll see you guys later.